Hey guys, let's take a look on how to remove an extra member from Netflix. So here you just need to come to netflix.com and then you can sign in with your account. There we go. You're going to receive an email with the code, so you can enter the code here. There we go. I just enter my code in here on the Netflix webpage. Just come here to the right side on the top and select account. From here, you're going to see your membership. You just click here on manage membership. In here, you see how to manage an extra member. Just click on it. And here you can remove this person and leave the slot for another person. So you can invite a new person, right? Or you can just cancel the extra member slot. So you won't have anybody as an extra member. So I'll just cancel the slot here. Confirm. And here's the confirmation that the extra member was canceled. Okay, so super simple. Basically, that's the way you can cancel an extra member on Netflix. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.